Hello everybody, it's Paul Perry with CDA. Before we get started in the split screen with the technician speaking directly with the customer, I'd like to go over just real briefly what the CDA Pidgins unified inbox looks like. So what I'd like to start off with is what happens with CDA Pidgins is that as your customers text you, all of the text messages from all of your different customers will always fall into this window. So no matter how many installs of the CDA Pidgins you have, so let's say you have 15 of your in-house users using CDA, everybody sees the same thing. So on the left-hand side, you see we have it broken down to where a tech is having a conversation. You see that a CSR Jenny is having a conversation with one of your customers. You see that there's an LG priority. This is the customer that they're speaking with. You'll also notice that the triage department is speaking with the customer. So what you're seeing is that when you're creating agents, not only can you create individual agents, you can create them based upon priorities or recalls or anything like that. You can also create them as departments. So let's move over to assign to, and so you'll see any particular message that comes in can be assigned to an individual. It can be assigned to an individual that is in a department. It could also have a certain attribute assigned to it. So you could have LG priorities. You could have a recall. Again, here is a tech, and you can have a department. So again, any message can have its status changed by simply saying, this is going to go to triage. Now you notice, now the triage department knows, oh hey, I have something to work on. But for our case, we're going to be using the technician one. So I just wanted to show that to you real briefly. And now you can see all of this is happening in real time. And so now I'll go ahead and get started with the split screen and show you what it's like for your technician to speak with one of your customers and how it shows up in the unified inbox as well. All right, hello everybody. So here we are. We're back on the left side. We have the unified inbox. On the right side, we have the CDA Pidgins application for the technician. And what's going to happen is the tech's going to send his on my way notification. The customer more than likely will reply back. And what you'll notice is that not only does it appear in the unified inbox for your whole organization to see, but it also appears in the technician's direct contact speaking with the customer. And so let's go ahead, we'll do a live demo. So this is live. So what we're going to do, we're just going to simulate that we sent the on my way notification. So as you can see, the on my way notification came, letting the customer know I'm on my way. And more than likely, within around 3 to 5 minutes, normally less, the customer will go ahead and reply back with some type of message acknowledging that the technician is on his way. So indeed, we see that the customer replied back and it says, hello, just as a reminder, here's the gate code. Also, can you make sure that you park in the correct spot? So this is typical of a conversation that will happen with your technicians. And then of course the tech would write back, okay, not a problem. And then they'll send a message. The customer gets it. And then whatever the customer writes back, it'll appear to the technician and in the unified inbox. So as you can see, the message came over with the customer. Hey, just wanted to let you know I'm on my way. It went directly to the technician's CDA mobile app that had Pidgins installed. So CDA Pidgins is over here. Unified inbox is over here. This whole conversation will also be documented in the claim as well. And that's it.